Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on After Zag. There is another tractor. It's been on our farm for a few years now, probably probably less than, I don't know. It's been on for a few years, and yeah, it's time to welcome on the Case IH MX270, being pulled with one second, I'm just making some adaptations to my camera. It's pulling a Night Triple Press 700S, which we've adapted, put some of our own discs in, and some of our own little bits, just to make it suit our ground. It seems to be pulling pretty well in here, but it is a bit moist. Just the right amount of moisture in the dirt to not be too hard and not too easy to pull, because if it was too dry it'd be like concrete and we just wouldn't pull it, but it's got some moisture in it to make it soft, but if it was too soft it'd be too tacky. But we seem to be pretty lucky with this field. No idea what the other fields are going to be like, but anyway, I've sort of missed out a video in between, but we have started combining. The combine is through 180 degrees to me. It's behind me. Oh, camera's just fallen. It is right the way over there in the distance, just there. It's a Case IH 2388, 2008. So yeah, it seems to be pretty good. We're just getting it all set up now. This field was winter barley, and the field it was stood in is a bit of winter wheat. We've done the headlands and probably half of the main field over there, but yeah, it's not going too badly. And we've also got the Case 7120 that you would have seen in the God Manchester Dyno Day, with a bomford powertrac. That's also been adapted. It's got 2 buster legs in it. So yeah, that's a pretty nice machine. It leaves it a bit rough, so sometimes it needs a disc or a press to go over after it. But apart from that, it's pretty good. It's got a little straight pipe, so I'll catch a few clips. So basically we've brought in an exhaust that basically removes the exhaust muffler. So yeah, I'll have to capture a few clips of that grafting. This don't sound too bad. Hopefully the microphone picks up the sound of it, but I'll try and magnum mount something close up to the exhaust so you can hear it barking. And yeah, this has got a few buster legs in it. As you can see, there's some discs in the front, and then you've got a row of tines, then you've got some busters, another set of discs, and then you've got a packer on the back just to leave it a bit smoother. And then there's the tractor towing it up front. Yeah, it's quite nice. A MX270, like I said. That's 1999, something like that, I think. If it's wrong, there will be a little caption down below saying what year it is. Oh, this mount, I've got a special swivel, which I would have told you, Mr. Swivelly, before in another video. But it's come loose on the tripod. Yeah, he's not got much left of the field, because it's 5 metres, so he's got all of that left to go, and then we'll be moving on to a different field. If that old 7120, the boxcar Magnum, is in action, I'll see if I can either make 2 videos or see if I can split this video in 2, like in sections. If any of you guys know how to do that, because I don't right now, please drop it down below, because any like hints or what's the word I'm looking for? I can't think of the word. That'd be really helpful, because yeah, I've not done many videos. This is probably my 4th or 5th video with this camera, so I'm getting used to it. I'm getting more confident in front of my viewers, but yeah, there's still some more room for improvement. But yeah. Anyway, sit and listen to this MX270 at work. And see him right down there. Is he going for another bow? I might not miss him. And there he comes, zooming down. Why does that say it's a new recording? That might have changed the recording for some reason. Anyway, old clip champ or cap cut or whatever it's called, that'll fix it for me. Well, I'll fix it for itself because it's not automatic yet. I mean, probably CapCut is, but I think I use ClipChamp. I think it's ClipChamp. Microsoft thing, I think. Power! Magnum power! I'm just going to change the microphone so it's facing at him. Oh, there we go. Now you should hear it a bit better. Very, very nice. So this is what finished the powertrac leaving. A bit cobbly. It might need a disc afterwards, but it's not terrible. So it cobbles like that. But a bit of rain and a bit of heat, that should sort it out. Anyway, they've just all stopped. I'll run over to the finish that the MX is leaving, and then I'll go and speak to him. So this is what the MX is leaving, the Packer, and it's got 2 sets of discs in it, so that really helps a lot. And you see, that's the difference in size. So yeah, they're both not doing too badly, but it's nice to have 2 machines on the go. And this is my tripod that I've been saying to you, and that's that little fitting that always annoys me. You see, when you loosen it, that moves. But yeah, anyway, enough of that waffle. Back to farming. So we've sorted out all we're thinking. So as I said, Dad's using this auto steer, the Ag Open GPS thing, and he just had some problems with that. So we've changed some things, and that's all good. I've also set up that other camera that I was talking to you in the past 1 or 2 videos, and that's recording. Like, I've got it set up in the thing so you can see all the dirt. Yeah, please tell me if there's anything that you wish to change or add. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have a close-up shot of these 8.3 litre Cummins exhausts, because they're not going to sound too bad at all. Because this MX doesn't have, they never came out with a perfect exhaust, and so that's not had any changes to the exhaust, but it's not a perfect exhaust, so it should have a little bit of sound to it. And the 7120 has had a very drastic change to the exhaust, let's just put it that way. And down the bottom where it says the time, if you can see that down the bottom, don't go thinking that's when I've recorded it, because I've set the time wrong, but I'll set the time properly another time. So it set the time another time. So hopefully that'll be right, and if I can't find out how to do it, I might just delete it, because it's not like it's anything to really go by. But just to tell you, it's about 5:30, 5:45, so it's not 2:04 and half a minute like it claims to be. It's about 5:30, 5:45. And write in the comments if there's anything you want me to talk about, like anything in particular, like if you want me to talk about a type of tractor, a type of thing, anything, because sometimes I just don't know what to say. And yeah, tell me about anything you do if you run a farm, anything like that. I just heard something in the background and I thought, what's that? But of course, it's the Magnum. See if you can hear that. Can you hear that? That's the sound of a Cummins. Yeah, I think you'll be able to hear him. That big, long, heavy bark in the background. I was about to say sorry for the noise, but I'm not sorry, because I'm sure all of you love it.